Hey guys, what's going on? MWC here. So today it's my time to unbox a used Samsung Galaxy A02. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so here's the packaging. We have bubble wrap. Very nice. So let's unbox. So here's the phone. Samsung Galaxy A02, 3GB of RAM, 32GB of storage. The phone is like brand new, as you can see. For the condition, clean, just a little scratch. This is black color, MediaTek chipset. Later I will buy a screen protector and the case for this. Very nice, good condition. Alright, I did the setup just now. So here's the lock screen, here's the home screen. Very nice. First thing first, let's go to setting. I'm going to show you the version. Slide to the down, about phone, software information. As you can see, it runs latest version, One UI core version 3.1 with Android 11. It doesn't get Android 12, it just get one update. While A01, you get Android 12, from Android 10 to Android 12, 2 update. While this one from Android 10 to Android 11 only. I'm not sure why. Very nice. It runs very smooth, very fast, no problem. Everything works well. Just now I did a test everything, and yes, no problem at all. Even camera good. Sorry for the dirty screen. Hi. And so, before I end this video, you can give your feedback for this new phone in my collection, Samsung Galaxy A02 in 2023, in the comment below. And so that's all for me. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on next video. Goodbye and have a nice day.